The man accused of shooting and killing Ruby Garcia and leaving her body on US-131 in Grand Rapids in March appeared in court today for his preliminary hearing. 13 on your side's Josh Albertus has details.
Please rise.
Suspect in court. Garcia and Ortiz-Vite, alleged to have killed Ruby Garcia in alleged events that garnered national attention, faced a judge for his preliminary hearing, meant to determine whether there was enough evidence for his case to go to trial. The court hearing from multiple witnesses, including someone close to Vite, someone who saw what eventually led up to the scene, and the forensic pathologist who did the autopsy.
There were multiple gunshot wounds that were identified, 4 total separate areas of gunshot wounds, 2 in the head, the right hand, and the left upper arm.
The court also hearing from law enforcement officers tasked to the scene and the investigation.
Obviously, when immediately it pulled up, I noticed that obviously it was a body. The body was face down, and next to the body was a cell phone. She was missing a shoe. And then in the crack, right by the crack of the roadway by her cell phone, was an unspent bullet.
One of those witnesses was a detective sergeant with Michigan State Police that was involved in investigating. When he and another detective were interviewing Ortiz-Vite, he said the suspect told them he and Garcia had been in an argument in a car over their relationship. According to the detective, Ortiz-Vite told them that Garcia told him to get out of the car, and it evolved into a physical fight when Garcia pulled out her phone, and Ortiz-Vite told detectives he thought she was calling 911.
He attempted to retrieve the phone from her to prevent that phone call. Then began a physical altercation. She hit him. He hit her back. He was unable to pull the phone from her. And during that altercation, he remembered that he had his handgun with him. I believe he said it was instinct that he then reached for the gun and then shot her multiple times from inside the vehicle.
After hearing from all the witnesses, the judge ruled that Ortiz-Vite's case will be bound over to circuit court for a trial.
And Josh, what charges will Ortiz-Vite be facing at trial?
Well, Julia, Ortiz-Vite is being charged with 5 counts. A jury will decide if he is guilty of felony murder, open murder, carjacking, carrying a concealed weapon, and felony firearm. Julia.
Josh.